Is there a specific problem that na ginawa lang yung blockchain para ma-solve yung that kanya yung problem na yan?
Okay, so way back ahead, I think blockchain is considered is one of the what we call distributed ledger technology. So yung concept nun is how you distribute data on a process of decentralized. Blockchain as being well adapted kasi nga yung tawag natin na consensus. So isa yun sa mga powerful attributes during that time, like what happened to Bitcoin. The Bitcoin network is run by what we call a distributed node across the globe. So walang demographics, not pre-identified. Imagine that hindi mo alam kung sino yung nagbabalidate ng data and information during that time. And it's spread across the globe. So ano yung mga properties na inherently nakakuha mo doon? Number one is censorship. Hindi mo siya ma-censor kasi you never know who's running the node and verifying the data. Then since it's distributed, inherently yung tinatawag natin na biases ay hindi na i-entail kasi hindi tayo makakilala, but we're on the same network and we don't have the same opinion, but we basically agree on one point that this data that's being run on the blockchain network is true.